Hey, let go! This is my fountain!
Oh, give it!
Hey, break it up, you two. Let's settle this with a challenge. Whoever wins gets the fountain.
Yeah, let's do this!
Yeah, bring it on!
Alright, here we go!
Whoa!
Welcome to the Pink Fondue Challenge!
Pink?
Fondue?
Whoever eats their food gets a point. You guys ready?
Yeah!
The first round is ice cream and popsicles.
Strawberry ice cream?
Oh, popsicle? Yes! Ah! It's so frozen!
Ooh, it's my turn!
This is taking too long. Brain freeze!
Great job, guys. You both get a point. Let's go to the next round. Alright, you guys. Next round we got strawberry mini pies and strawberry cakes.
Oh, that looks good. Let me try mine. That's good.
Yummy cake!
Yummy pies.
Good job, you guys. You both ate your food. You both get points. On to the next round. Alright, you guys. Next round we got bubblegum and sour belts.
Bubblegum?
Sour belts? Oh, sour and chocolate? Oh, man. Oh. So sour.
Great job, Max. You get a point. Now it's Lily's turn.
I love Hubba Bubba! I'm gonna blow such a big bubble with this! Yeah.
Blow a bubble. Blow a bubble. Blow a bubble.
Okay, here I go!
Whoa.
Awesome job, guys. You both get a point. Next round we got cookies and donuts.
Ooh, cookies!
Oh, donuts. Oh, I love donuts.
That was so good!
Great job. Points for the both of you. Next round, here we go. All right, guys. A challenge within a challenge. Tiny versus giant marshmallows.
I didn't want giant.
I didn't want tiny. Oh, well, it's all I got, so.
This marshmallow's too big. I can't eat it. Ooh, but it's fun to play with.
Next round, we got toilet candy and yan yan.
Sour.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, this looks good. Let me try it. Oh, I have an idea. Can I fill this up with the chocolate?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Bottoms up. Oh,
I don't want to eat this. Here we go. I can't eat sour stuff. I don't want to eat it.
Oh well, Lily. That's another point for Max. Next round, we got noodles and spaghetti.
whoa, spaghetti.
Noodles and chocolate? Let's see how this tastes. Let's spice this up a little.
Ooh, I love spaghetti.
All right, you both ate your noodles. You both get points. Let's go to the next round.
Yes.
All right, you guys. Next round, we got juicy drop pops and push pops.
Ooh, push pop.
Juicy drop pop. Oh man, these are so sour. Sweet and sour, that should be good, right?
My turn! Whoa! So good!
All right, you get a point, you get a point. Let's go to the next round.
Yeah!
Next round we got Mogu Mogu and Ramune.
How do we get the chocolate into the drinks?
With these glasses, of course.
Okay.
I get to try the Mogu Mogu now! Alright, here we go. Let's try it. Let's mix it up.
Let's open up my soda. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Time for me to stir it up. Oh, that's so sweet.
It's so good. Cheers.
All right, you guys, you both get points. Let's go to the next round. Next round, Pockies and pink coins.
Yeah. Oh yes, Pocky are the best.
Whoa! Time to open my chocolate. I love chocolate.
I love Pocky.
You guys are blazing through this challenge. You both get points. All right, the final round is eggs, but not just any eggs, pink duck eggs.
Ooh, how pretty! Let's crack this open. They were cute before, but it looks so gross.
Oh, I hope mine's not gross like that.
You don't want to eat this.
Well, too bad. Now that you get points, but hey, Max, you won the challenge.
Oh yes.
That means you win the chocolate fountain.
Yes. I want more mini pies.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and see you in the next video.
Bye.